Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to write the operating system ChromeOS updates from your computer. Yep, that's gonna be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your laptop, like a Google account or something like that. So, first of all, you have to turn on your device. Then you have to press Escape, Refresh, and Power. You can have a power right here. You can have a power, for example, like in this model, we have a power in the corner here. So anyway, you have to press this 3-button Escape, Refresh, and Power. Yep. After you hit this key, you will see the model of your laptop. This is the model. Keep in this case. So next, go to this site. I will give you the short one, Crosstech. Yep. And in the search bar, you have to write the keep. Yep, and click. That's the way it is. Now you have all the software from you're gonna be choice by this recovery or something like that. Click on whatever ChromeOS you want and download it. After that, keep in your mind some USB pen drive. Then download from the site from Google the software Chromebook Recovery Utility. And in this case, just format your USB, and then I will show you how to format. You have to open disk part exe and next. Right, select disk 1. Yes? No. Wait 1 second. So first you have to list disk. You will see your disk. Choose the pen drive which you want. In this case is disk 1. So you have to select disk 1. Next, write the clean. Next, create partition primary. Next, select partition 1. Next, format fs FAT32 quick and assign. And that's it. Your USB gonna be prepared to write the firmware which you download from the site. So when you open the Chromebook Recovery, you have to press this the settings and choose you use your bin or files from the computer. Yep, and that's the way it is. And then your pen drive will make with the operating system by ChromeOS. In this case, everything is all right and prepare to write on your computer. So let's get this pen drive. And this Chrome is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick. Yep, so like in this case. So let's put the USB. The computer is restart. And now it's gonna be write the new operating system on your computer, as you see, without any password and passcode on your laptop. And that's all the operation what you need to do when you want to have a fresh system without any password on your computer. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.